And welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is episode 17 of Dilmas. Yay! So today I want to tell you about some deals at Sephora and how you can get extra cash back with Dosh. So this is the Dosh app. The link will be in the description on how to be able to use Dosh if you need further instruction. But if you open up the Dosh app, you will see right now that Sephora has 8% cash back. You must make a purchase at Sephora.com in order to be able to get it, but you need to go through Dosh. So I went to the online tab, which you can see in purple, and you can see Sephora is there. It says online 8% cash back. Click on that and it will give you more info, such as the cash will be deposited in your Dosh wallet once the transaction is cleared, which can take up to 30 days, and you have a $50 max cash back per day. So if you click tap to shop, it will take you to Sephora.com. I'm going to show you from my laptop though, so let me go ahead and switch over. So here we are on the home page of Sephora. And you can also see that if you rather use Ebates, you can get a 4% cash back from Ebates. And there's a link in the description to show you how to use Ebates, how to get started with it. And also, I have a link that lets you know that if you use it, you can start off with $10 in your Ebates account just for linking your debit or credit card. I'm going to activate that later for now. And I already have some items pulled up with discounts to show you so we can make this video short and sweet. The first one I want to look at, this is an eye palette. It's marked down from $42 to $30. They have Tarte palettes. Also, Tarte's Pro Glow To Go Highlight and Contour palette is marked down to $10 from $19. The Hamptons Weekender Contour palette is marked down to $10 from $19. The Tarte's Pro To Go Amazonian Clay palette is marked down to $10 from $19. So I thought I would share with you all different discounted items on Sephora.com because I know we do have a lot of makeup lovers out there. And also to show you how you can get cash back if you're already planning on making a purchase on there anyway. Why not get some of your money back? So definitely check out Sephora, Dosh, and Ebates. I will have the links to everything down in the description to make it easier for you. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been listening to Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilmas video.